Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long can the police detain you without probable cause? It's a critical question that gets to the heart of your constitutional rights, and the answer isn't as simple as a specific number of minutes. Many people think there's a magic number, like 20 minutes or an hour, but the law is far more flexible and depends entirely on the situation. First, we must understand the crucial difference between being detained and being arrested. An arrest requires the high standard of probable cause, which means police have solid facts and circumstances to believe you have committed a crime. A detention, often called a Terry stop or an investigatory stop, requires a lower standard called reasonable suspicion. This means an officer must have specific, articulable facts that would lead a reasonable person to suspect you are involved in criminal activity. It cannot be based on a mere hunch. So, how long can this detention last? The Supreme Court has ruled that there is no hard and fast time limit. Instead, the detention must be temporary and last no longer than is necessary to effectuate the purpose of the stop. The police must be diligent in their investigation to either confirm or dispel their suspicion. For example, if you are pulled over for a simple traffic violation like speeding, the detention should be very short, just long enough for the officer to check your license and registration and issue a ticket or a warning. This might take 10 to 15 minutes. However, if you were stopped because you matched the description of a suspect in a recent nearby robbery, the detention could reasonably last longer. The police would be allowed a reasonable amount of time to investigate, perhaps by bringing a witness to the scene for an identification. The key is that the length and scope of the detention must be directly tied to the initial reason for the stop. The stop becomes unconstitutional if it is extended beyond the time reasonably needed to complete the mission of the stop. Police cannot use a minor traffic infraction as an excuse to hold you for an hour while they wait for a drug-sniffing dog to arrive, unless they develop new, independent reasonable suspicion of a drug crime during the initial stop. If a detention becomes excessively long or intrusive, such as moving you to the police station or holding you in a patrol car for an extended period, it can be considered a de facto arrest, which is an arrest in all but name. Such a situation would require probable cause to be legal. If you find yourself in this situation, you can always calmly ask, "Officer, am I free to leave?" If they say no, you are being detained and have the right to remain silent. Thank you for watching this breakdown of your rights during a police detention. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more legal explainers, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.